So here is the Falcam F22, but this do not have any space for mounting, you know, the strap for a camera. That is the reason I buy. That is the entire reason I buy. Okay, it's very easy. Let me get my Sony ZV. No, let me just install on this one. Okay, and then maybe Sony ZV-10. Okay, like this. It comes with some kind of key. Let's see the key. Let's look at the key. Yes, key is very important. Okay, let me look at the key. Let me try to tighten it up. It will went like this, right? Let me tighten up. I don't know, I think like this is better. Tighten up. It's already tightened. Let me just throw this one away. Over this key or this thing I don't want to lose. Let me put it inside. And then the moment of truth. Oh, it's very simple. It's very simple. Falcam F22. I love F22 fighter jet. So this is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.